Hey, it's Andy Maluzzi here. I'm here with my Team MakEARs, and we're doing the Makeathon event from the Maker Effect Foundation. I want to introduce you guys to the team.
Hi, I'm Daryl1, and the basic premise of our game is Battleship.
And I'm Daryl, the other Daryl, and we have a bunch of cool ships for the Battleship game.
What kind of ships?
What kind of ships? Oh, awesome ones with tiny little print that I can't read. There we go. Preview.
Bam!
So essentially there'll be a villain side and a hero's side. And the heroes will be led by Kronk, who doesn't understand that he's a villain, and Hades. And they will be battling it out. Where Hades is trying to tell Kronk that, you know, he's not supposed to be helping the heroes. I'm Sophie.
Hi, and I'm Catherine, and this is an attraction, so of course there will be an operating guide for turning it on. Or an OG.
So that's what we're thinking right now. The ideas are gonna keep flowing, and we're gonna run with this for now. And tomorrow we will create. Tonight's gonna be getting parts and starting some software and getting things ready to go. So thanks for checking us out. You can follow us on youtube.com/08MILLUZ, or you can follow us on Twitter at KK4LWR. We'll be posting there all of our updates. Catch you later.
This video was brought to you by Awkward Turtle.
And Skycraft, because we want that $100.